Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to my page. And today I want to talk about where to get started with social media marketing for your business. So if you are wondering where to get started, maybe you would like to start marketing your business on social media, but you don't know where to start or what the first thing that you should do is. Obviously, there's so many things that are happening. There is a lot of activities that one can do to build their business. But what is the first thing that you want to do to be able to kickstart your social media strategy? So that is what I want to talk to you about today. This is definitely gonna be good for you if you really are not sure in terms of the steps, because it is definitely a process and you need the particular steps to be able to move forward. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what the first thing is to what you want to do and what the benefit of that are. Okay, so my name is Khanyi if you have not met me. I'm the founder of this page, Khanyi. I am an entrepreneur. I've partnered with a health and wellness company to build my network marketing business. Very passionate about health and wellness, and I help people move towards a healthy lifestyle so that they can walk in confidence. I'm also very passionate about building a network marketing business using social media. So I coach network marketers to use social media to build their business. Okay, so where do you get started? Now, let's just take a step back. Now, we are in a network marketing business. Now, network marketing is about marketing your product or your services or your business opportunity to a network, right? Now, one of the challenges that a lot of people have is, and some people actually, it becomes such a big challenge that it stops them on their track to say that I can't do a network marketing business because I don't have a network, or I don't have people that I can sell the products to or recruit into the business, or the people that I know are not the kind of people who are interested in a business. Have you heard that before, or have you found yourself saying that? Let me know if you can relate to this, where people will say, I don't have a network, or the people around me, maybe they've already said no, for example, so you find yourself stuck. So that is what I want to cover, to say, how would you go about, what is the first thing basically that you want to be doing when you start marketing your business on social media. So let me know when you come in, where you are coming in from. I'm doing this video from Johannesburg. This is where I am. Now, the main thing, basically, I'm going to tell you the benefits, but the main thing that you want to do, the number one thing that you want to do is to build a network, right? Is to build an audience, okay? Now, and I want to spend a bit more time on that, right? In fact, also let me know if you have heard this one where they say your network is your net worth. So you want to have a network because that is your net worth, basically, because you're going to be able to promote your opportunity to your network, right? So if you don't have a network, in fact, even if you have a network, at some point you're going to run out of that network. Everybody runs out of that network because at some point you would have told everyone what you're doing, and some of them would have said yes, some of them would have said no. So you run out of that network. So the number one thing that you want to do is to build a network, to build an audience, to build followers, basically, people who will follow you. Now, that's what you want to do, and anybody can do it. The lovely thing about it doesn't matter where you start, anybody can actually build the network. So this is a main advantage and a game changer, because social media, it really levels out the playing field. So irrespective of your background, irrespective of where you're coming from, whether or not you had a network when you started, you can build a network, right? You can build a new audience, you can build a following that you can eventually market to, right? The second thing that you want to be doing is to grow that network. So I'm just going to talk about the network today. You want to grow that network. You can grow that network to any size that you want to grow it to, right? You can grow a very big network. Now, I have seen people who start Facebook pages, and they invite a few friends and family, and they've got about 100, 200 people that are following the page, and they stop growing the network. excuse me. The challenge with that is that some of those are friends and family, and you possibly are, they are also your friends on your other page, so that doesn't help a lot. So you want to grow a network, but you want to grow it big. So here I want to challenge you to think big, right? I remember about a year ago, I was doing a video about this particular subject, similar to it, and I asked my daughter, and I said, "Baby, what do you think is the right number to grow your network to?" And she said, "Ah, man, I don't know, maybe 1 million," right? And I thought, wow, that is it's a big dream out there. It's a big dream. You can grow your network to 1 million. You can grow it to 10 million. You can grow it to whatever number of number that you want to grow it. So I want to challenge you to think big when you're growing your network, because the bigger the network, the bigger will be your net worth, right? And I also want to say that you can also think global in this case. So and one of the other challenges that other people say is that, yeah, where I live, people do not afford this product. People do not afford this kind of business, or they are not interested in this kind of business. So I want to challenge you to say, do not limit yourself to where you live. You can actually grow your network and your business to another city, to another province, to another country, or to the whole country, and another, like, you can grow it all over the world. Basically, that's what Facebook and other social media platforms allow you to do. And yeah, so you can grow it big and you can go global, right? Now, the third thing is that you want to build a network of the right people, right? These are people who are already interested in what you're offering. So if you are in a health and wellness business, you want people who are already interested in health and wellness, right? If you are in, so let's think about it. If you promoting, I like to use the example of meat and vegetarians. If you are promoting meat, you don't want a network of vegetarians. That network will not convert into rands and cents. They will not ever, no matter how good your steak is, they will never buy because they are vegetarians. So that is why it's important, when you are building a network, you want to build a network of the right people who are already interested in what you're offering, right? And Facebook allows you to do that, to make sure that your network is highly targeted. You're not just adding people, even when you are not actually doing it on your page, on your personal profile. You must add people who are already interested in what you are offering. So that is number 3. And then the fourth one is that if you do not know how to do that, it's very important to learn that skill, because building a network is a skill. Learn that skill to be able to build your network, and invest in your education, invest in your business. You need to, give it the time that it requires, give it the effort that it requires, and if it requires money, give it the money that it requires, so that you can able to reap the rewards of that. So that is what I wanted to share with you today, to say the main thing, you can do, there's lots of things that you need to do with social media, but if you do not have a network to market to, or you do not have the network to promote to, then you will not be able to get started. What you would find if you are just promoting to friends and family is that you are doing a lot of promotion, but you do not get the response. Let me know if that makes sense, that when you are, or if you're experiencing that, when you are promoting your business on your page, you're not getting any response. And that is mainly because the people that you are promoting to, they are not the right people who are already interested in what you're offering. It doesn't mean that they'll never buy. Some of them will buy, but they require a lot of education and a change in mindset. So yeah, that is that for today. I hope that makes sense. Hope that helps you. Hope that actually you found value in this. If you found value, I want to encourage you to let me know that you found value in terms of building your network, growing that network. What else did I say? What is the third thing? Growing the network of the right people and learning the skills, right? So so that is that, guys. I will thank you so much for watching the video. Give me a like, give me a love, and a comment, or tag someone. Okay. Lastly, if you like to learn more about how to build your business on social media, I want to invite you into my group. I've got a link inside below this video that you can click onto the video. It's called Recruit Your Perfect Prospect, and I want to ask you to come onto that group to come learn more strategies in terms of how you can take your business onto social media. So thank you so much, guys. Have a good week. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
This is Kanyisa.
This Una.
And Una. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.